In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to generate $20,000 per month selling digital products using Facebook ads and AI. Sounds exciting, right? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's already running ads, I'm going to break down everything you need to know, from setting up your Facebook ads, using AI tools to optimize your campaigns, and turning those ads into consistent sales. And the best part? It's all done in a way that saves you time and maximizes your profits. So, grab a notebook and get ready, because by the end of this video, you will have a solid strategy to scale your digital product business to $20,000 per month. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified on future video. A few years ago, I was all in on Facebook ads. I spent a lot of money trying to promote multiple affiliate offers, but nothing seemed to work. Then came iOS 14. With the iOS 14 update, tracking and targeting became even harder. My results went from bad to worse, and I lost faith in Facebook ads. I decided to shift my focus to organic traffic, mainly using Facebook and Instagram DMs. I used an automated tool to send hundreds of DMs daily. While I saw some success, it was time-consuming and not scalable. Fast forward to 2025. With Facebook's latest update and the integration of AI, I decided to give Facebook ads another shot. And let me tell you, my friend, the results have been absolutely amazing. With the help of AI, I can target my audience more precisely and optimize my ads in real time. Now I'm generating $20K per month consistently. Facebook ads combined with AI have completely turned my business around. Take a look at my screen. As you can see on my Stripe account, there are multiple transactions of $497. These are sales generated by the program I am promoting right now, and I'm making around 2 sales per day. Last month, I made about $31,000.
But what if I told you there's a program where you can literally sell the same high-value course and keep every single penny? That's where Digital Wealth Academy comes in. So what exactly is Digital Wealth Academy? DWA is a master resale rights program, which means you get access to a comprehensive digital marketing course. But here's the kicker. You can resell it and keep 100% of the profits. Think of it like this. It's like buying a vending machine that's already stocked with products, with full permission to sell everything inside over and over again. No royalties, no middleman taking their cut, and no need to split profits with anyone. Most people struggle with making money online because they're trying to create everything from scratch. They spend months building a product, then more months trying to figure out how to sell it. With DWA, all of that is already done for you. You're getting a proven system that's already generating results for thousands of people worldwide. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets really interesting. The Digital Wealth Academy program sells for $497. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot, but here's the math that'll blow your mind. If you make just 2 sales per day, that's roughly $1,000 per day, which equals $30,000 per month. Even if you only made 1 sale every other day, you're still looking at over $7,000 per month. Unlike physical products, you don't have to worry about shipping or handling, and you can sell them anywhere in the world. Plus, this is not affiliate marketing, where you have to share revenues with the owner of the program. With this business model, you have full ownership of the product itself and keep 100% of the profit. That's why so many people are joining this program. As you can see, more than 119,000 people have already joined the program. I'm telling you, this company is growing gangbusters. And the program is selling like hotcakes. When picking a product to promote, you want to make sure it is something that's already proven to sell well. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. DWA has been around for more than a year, and it is one of the largest communities on the school platform. With the course priced at $497, the program is generating over $59 million in sales.
Let me guide you through the step-by-step process of creating Facebook ads using an advertising bot. This method works for any business, but for this example, we'll focus on Mark, who developed a coaching program for football coaches. The first thing you need to do is create a buyer persona, which is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on research and data. We'll create a buyer persona using this prompt. You are a digital marketer specializing in user behavior and research. Create a detailed buyer persona for my coaching program, The Football Secrets, which teaches football coaches strategies to win more games, impact more lives, and elevate coaching careers. As you can see, the prompt is very specific. The buyer persona provides the exact demographic you need to target, along with their behavior, pain points, goals, and motivations. Once we have our buyer persona, we need to create our Facebook ad script. Here's the prompt. You are a Facebook ad specialist. Write 5 ads for my buyer persona, with the goal of getting them to watch a webinar explaining how I found a system to win more games and positively impact my players' lives. The bot generates 5 sample ads, and you can test all of them to see which one converts best. To improve ad quality, I use another prompt. Act as the buyer persona and critique these ads, giving objections and suggestions. As you can see, the bot was able to generate critiques from the perspective of our buyer persona. And based on these critiques, he was able to give us some suggestions. Now we need to add this prompt. Implement all your suggestions. The suggestions were implemented on our 5 ads. Then we need to generate the script for your video ads. I usually prefer to use videos instead of images. I believe videos convert better, and I like to keep my video ads under 1 minute. We are going to use this prompt. Using the same style, create 2 one-minute video scripts that I can use for 2 videos. Strictly give me the script only, and do not include any B-roll, timestamps, or scene descriptions. As you can see, the bot was able to generate 2 video scripts. You can use the script as it is, or you can make some modifications before using it. You can make the video on your own, or you can use our video ads creator bot to generate the video. So we need to copy the script and paste in our video ads creator bot. I am going to make some modifications and then submit. You need to wait for a few minutes. Here is the video.
Hey football coaches, Mark Thompson here. Are you tired of inconsistent team performance? Imagine having a reliable system that guarantees winning more games and making a lasting impact on your players' lives. After years of struggle, I discovered the ultimate coaching system that turned my team around, and now I want to share it with you. Join our free webinar and learn the secrets to coaching success. You'll get actionable tips, advanced strategies, and real-life examples from coaches who transformed their teams. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link below to secure your spot and start your journey to coaching excellence. See you there.
How amazing is that? As you can see, the video is using an avatar. You can change the avatar, or you can generate the video without an avatar. It is really up to you. Now we have our target audience, we have our ad script, and we have our video ads. We can now create our Facebook ad campaign pretty easily. In the training, I will show you how to configure ads on Facebook to get the best results. I will also reveal all the AI tools and prompts I use to create ad creatives, video ad scripts, webinar scripts, and more. Once your ad campaigns are successful and start generating sales, I'll show you how to scale them to consistently hit $20,000 or more per month. Imagine having a reliable system that brings in sale after sale every month, allowing you to reach that $20,000 goal with ease. Picture yourself transforming your life, achieving financial freedom, working on your own terms, and having more time to spend with loved ones. Our proven system combines Facebook ad strategies with AI-driven techniques to help you achieve consistent sales and financial freedom. This strategy works for promoting any digital products. Click the link below this video to get access to the training.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.